Do you know the rules of the road? Making mistakes can be dangerous. Hi, I'm your driving instructor. Join us to learn how to drive safely, avoid fines, and gain confidence on the road. Today, we're going to focus on an important driving skill, how to pass an intersection controlled by a traffic light. This may seem like a simple task, but it's crucial for both beginners and experienced drivers. Understanding right-of-way rules at intersections will help you navigate traffic smoothly and prevent accidents. Let's consider a specific situation. Imagine a blue car has entered an intersection to turn right on a red light, which is allowed in many places when there's no sign prohibiting it. Shortly after, a red car approaches the intersection with a green light. Now here's the big question. Who has the right of way? Take a moment to think about it and choose the correct option. The blue car should stop and let the red car pass. The red car should speed up to pass the blue car. The red car must yield to the blue car. Consider your answer and write it in the comments below. Let's analyze the situation. In this scenario, we see two vehicles approaching an intersection controlled by traffic lights. The blue car has already entered the intersection, preparing to turn right on a red light. The red car arrives at the intersection with a green light, expecting to proceed. To determine the correct answer, we must refer to traffic laws. According to the rules of the road, vehicles already inside an intersection have the right of way. Even though the red car has a green light, it must yield to any vehicle that has already entered the intersection. That means option 3 is the correct answer. The red car must yield to the blue car. If you chose this, congratulations. You understand the importance of intersection right-of-way rules. Understanding these rules is essential for staying safe on the road, avoiding traffic violations, and ensuring a smooth driving experience. I'm your driving instructor. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so you never get fined and always drive with confidence. Stay safe, follow the rules, and take care on the road.